Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today I am going to show you how to fill up Payoneer business details. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the Payoneer. To open it, you just need to open your web browser. After that, there will be the search bar on the top. You just have to click on the search bar and type Payoneer. And when you have typed in successfully, just click enter in your keyboard. After that, a web search result will be shown. And just click on the first web search result, that is the official website of Payoneer. And when you are there, you just have to sign in or log in, and this is the page that is shown to you. And when you are here, now in the left hand side there is a get paid option. You just have to click on the get paid option. After that, when you are inside the get paid option, the first option is request a payment. So you just have to click on the request a payment, and as you can see, there is a business profile, and on the right hand side there is the submit button. You just have to click on the submit button, and here is where you can fill up the business details in the Payoneer. So firstly, these are the things that you need to fill up. The first thing is to select the category of your business. After that, there is the doing business as name. Just click on the name of your business or write down the name of your business, and you just have to explain a little bit about how your business operates. After that, you have to enter the website of your business, and you have to choose what is your connection to the website provided. And when you have chosen any option that is given here, then there will be next option, that is do you have an additional website. You just have to click on yes or no. If you have, then just click on yes. If you don't have, then just click on no. After that, just click on the submit button that is right down here, and Payoneer will verify your business. And if your business is verified, then you have successfully filled in the business details in your Payoneer. So this is how you can fill up Payoneer business details. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.